So my high pressure fuel pump is leaking. I don't know, right now it looks dry, like it's not leaking. I don't know if I have enough battery, not a matter of fact enough video storage space to record anything. But this is the old one. This is the one. This is looks like a legit Hitachi one. It has a part number on it. I just ordered this one on eBay. It took forever to get here. Said it was made in America. No, it was shipping from America. Look, no markings at all on it. But anyhow, somehow this is leaking from in between the plastic, where the plastic seals to the you know what I'm talking about. It leaks right there. But it apparently it's the same connection on either side. The only difference, if you buy the whole unit, if you buy the whole high pressure fuel pump, you got to specify whether you get the right one or the left one. But when you get just the regulator is the same no matter which side you get, no matter, you know, which side whatever. So don't have a proper tool right now, but this will work. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's hope. Yep, that works. So some gas should leak out if it's got any gas behind there. It might not, because, like I said, it's leaking. Look, the body is spinning, and the plastic part is spinning, and the body's not spinning. So let's spin that. No gas is coming out. No gas is coming out. I mean, my gas just leaked out. All the pressure in the line came out of the line. And every time you unlock the car, or either open the door, oh, it does have some pressure there. You see that? So every time you unlock the car, open the door, you know, in any car, it doesn't matter what car it is, typically it sends some gas to the pump, so that when you turn the car on, you know, it just starts right up. You know, it doesn't matter if it's this car or the Chevy Express truck that I had, or whatever the car might be. My Volkswagen, my old Volkswagen. I had a MK3. I think it was an MK3. You see gas is spilling out. That's not good. I don't want to waste gas. Gas is expensive. Anyhow, this is the new one going in. Take your time. Just put it in there. Let the teeth go in themselves. Don't force it. Okay, now we're somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, so that's about it, man. This is not a Audi approved monkey wrench right here. It's it's probably, I don't know where the heck I got this from. I think I got it from Lowe's. Looking at the color of it, I think it came from Lowe's. Okay, it already stopped. Oh, that's not good. I could spin that plastic piece, but guess what? I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna see if the cable can reach it. If the cable can't reach it, then I'll spin it. Yeah, I could get it around. No, I can't. So let me see. Maybe that's how I screwed it up last time. Alright, guess what I might do? I might take this one out, take the one over there, put it over here, because it's not rotating to the right spot for me. And I know I didn't thread it incorrectly. I didn't cross thread it. It looks good. Anyhow, look at this crappy one right here that I just got, man. Not only did it take long, and it was not insulated, the bag was not cushioned right, it's not even spinning right. Let's see how close it is on that one. Just as close. The old one over there, old one looks exactly the same. It's the same mechanics. It's just a knockoff version without any part number. But hey, maybe you'll have better luck than I will with it right now. I'm trying to do it with one hand. The high pressure fuel pump is still working, but it's just sometimes the car wants to shut off because there seems to be some kind of internal problem with it, and that's why it's leaking. But anyhow, I gotta go because I'm about to run out of storage on my phone. Yeah, I'm about to take the other one out, put it over here, see if that works, because look, I'm not gonna reach. It's not gonna get there. It's not gonna get there. All right, thanks for watching. Wait, no, let's try something else. This one come out nice and easy though. I don't want to leave it loose. I don't want to leave it loose at all. This one will have more pressure behind it because this one works. This one didn't have a problem with it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Gotta always remind myself about that. This one's tight. Yeah. Here we go. A little catch. Smash my finger. Ugh, good. Smash your finger, yeah. Feels good. There's a gasket in there that makes it, you know, you ain't really gotta tighten it. There's a gasket in there that keeps the seal pretty good. Take this one out. Lefty loosey. Let the gas come out slowly because it's high pressure. Oh. Easy, easy. Easy, baby. Okay. All right. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know what they're putting in the gas these days. Everybody says it. Gas smells funny these days. It doesn't smell like gas. It smells like kerosene to me. That's what it smells like to me. So. Gently. Okay, let's go. No, no, no. 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 Spin it backwards. There we go. I think I'm tightening it too much. And that's the issue. I should let the gasket do the work. Somebody's watching this like this guy is silly. Very silly. Doesn't he know that you're not supposed to do that, and that? Don't you know you're supposed to torque it? Oh, look. Still in a bad position. Still in a bad position. What's up with that? What's up with that? What's up with that? This thing is,